All right, so are you ready to dive into something? Something that you use every day? I mean, every single day, but you
Yeah.
never really even, like, stop to think about it. Huh. It's kind of wild when you think about how much we rely on some of these things. Like,
Yeah.
for today, we're going to look at Ctrl plus C.
Yeah. Like a copy shortcut.
That little keyboard shortcut,
Yeah.
yeah. But we're going way beyond just, like, copying and pasting. Like, how did this simple command shape the entire digital world,
Yeah.
you know?
It's really fascinating, like how something so commonplace can kind of reveal so much about tech, design,
Right.
even just human behavior,
Totally. And even for this deep dive, we got all this info about Ctrl plus C. And to be honest, I kind of like skimmed the definition at first, you know?
Right.
But it's actually super interesting when you actually look closer
Mm-hmm.
because it doesn't just copy the text, like the words,
Yeah.
but the whole content of a cell, like
Mm.
formulas, everything. I mean, that's what makes it so powerful, right?
Exactly. Think about it. Anyone who works with spreadsheets, copying formulas, not just the values, changes the game entirely. Suddenly, calculations that are complex and data analysis that's super in-depth, all that stuff becomes so much faster. And there's way less room for error.
Oh yeah, it's like the spreadsheet is doing all the hard work for you.
Mm-hmm.
And uh, and speaking of things that do the heavy lifting, the clipboard,
Oh, yeah, the clipboard.
this temporary holding space.
Yeah.
I never really thought about how revolutionary that was. Like honestly, just this place to hold stuff.
I know, right? Before the clipboard, imagine having to retype everything. Like if you wanted to duplicate something, you'd have to just like do it all again.
Uh,
Tedious, prone to error. It was a
I can
nightmare.
only imagine.
Yeah. The clipboard was a huge shift in the way computers worked, like a total paradigm shift. Because now we can move information around seamlessly between apps.
Mind blown.
Yeah.
And you know what else is crazy? That the clipboard isn't just like a simple container.
Mhm.
It handles so many different types of data formats,
Yeah.
text images, even stuff that's formatted. That's how we can do things like copy a chart from a spreadsheet
Yeah.
and then paste it right into a presentation.
Right. That ability to transfer data that's complex between all these different apps. It's like a key factor in how software evolved and user workflows too.
It's insane when you think about it. Okay, so like history time. Where did this magical Ctrl plus C come from? Like,
How did this all start? Well, the story of Still Plus C is really a story about user interface design and the quest for efficiency.
makes sense.
In the early days of computers, interaction was, well, it was clunky. Lots of complex commands. Entering data manually. Ugh.
Oh, I bet. But then someone had the genius idea of a keyboard shortcut.
Light bulb moment.
And Ctrl plus C became like the king of all the shortcuts.
Exactly. It streamlined a super fundamental task, copying, and computer interaction was suddenly way more intuitive. This was like a major step toward the graphical user interfaces. You know, the ones we use today.
Totally. Speaking of which, I noticed that our info also mentioned right-clicking and choosing copy. Why do we need so many ways to do the same thing?
That's the cool thing about good user interface design. Accessibility. Not everyone is like super comfortable with using keyboard shortcuts. So offering different ways to do the same thing.
Right.
Keyboard shortcuts, right, click menus, buttons on the screen, all that stuff ensures that software can be used by lots of different people, different preferences, different skill levels, all that.
That makes a lot of sense. And that probably fuels the whole mouse versus keyboard debate.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, some people just live by their keyboard shortcuts.
Oh, absolutely. And both sides have valid points. Keyboard shortcuts can be so efficient. For power users, you know. But a graphical interface that is well designed is a lot more intuitive and more accessible for beginners. It's about finding a balance.
It's true. You mentioned efficiency before. And it just got me thinking, Curl plus C has changed the way we work, like completely. Think about collaborative coding platforms like GitHub that relies on easy copying and pasting, code snippets, all that. Creo plus C is like the engine behind that collaboration.
Yeah, it's true. The ease of copying and pasting has revolutionized, well, everything. Software development, content creation, it's how memes spread, how ideas get remixed, it's how information flows around the digital world.
It's wild. It's like this invisible force that's just shaping the internet as we know it. Kind of freaky.
It is. And it
Yeah.
makes you wonder, does the fact that it's so easy to replicate things, does that come at the cost of originality? Does the constant flow of information lead to information overload? Like, it's something to think about.
Big questions to ponder for sure. On a lighter note,
Mm-hmm.
I can't help but wonder, what if Cratch plus C worked in the real world? Like, what would you copy?
Ooh, that is a fun question. I think I would copy the ability to learn new things really quickly, effortlessly. Imagine just absorbing knowledge from books, conversations, experiences, bam, just like that.
That would be incredible. I think I'd copy a perfect cup of coffee.
Mm.
Always ready. Always delicious.
Mm.
You know.
Haha. Excellent choice. But really, though, think about this. The simple act of copying, the thing that the Ctrl+C command does, it shows a fundamental human desire to replicate, to share, to build on things that already exist.
That's a really good point. So next time you hit Ctrl+C, remember, you're not just copying data, you're tapping into a force that drives creativity,
Yeah,
innovation, and like the evolution of knowledge itself. It's pretty profound.
it really is.
And that's our deep dive.
Ctrl+C, more than meets the eye.